us a g of x and an f of x. And then let's see what they ask. They ask us to find g divided by f of 4, okay? So this notation looks kind of weird maybe if it's the first time you've seen this thing, but what it means is take the function g, all this stuff, the negative 2x plus x, parentheses, negative 1 plus x, and divide by f, divide by 5 minus x. And then plug the number 4 everywhere where you see an x, okay? So let's write out what g over f of x looks like, with the x variable still intact, okay? The function g is negative 2 plus x, negative 1 plus x, and we're asked to divide that by the function f, which is 5 minus x. That's what g divided by f means, this formula here. But we weren't asked for g divided by f of x, we were asked for g divided by f of 4. So all that means is go into the formula and plug in a 4. Okay, so it just takes some simplifying. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2, and then negative 1 plus 4 is 3, and then 5 minus 4 makes 1, so we got 6 for our answer here. Okay, comes out to just a value. Now the values that are not in the domain of g divided by f, that's why it's good that we wrote out this part here. That means numbers that you can't plug in. Numbers that if you plug them in, it would cause a divide by 0 error, or a square root of a negative error, or some other weird math problem on a calculator. Okay, so if you look at this formula, you can't plug in 5, right? Because 5 minus 5 would make 0. So that means values that are not in g divided by f, 5 has to be excluded. Okay.